It seems like the machine is about to go on strike after days of hard work.
He wouldn't want his hand to stay there forever, would he?
This is what happened. What?
Equipment that's safe to hand over to an intern.
The maid did a great job today, right? He doesn't want to receive any surprise gifts today. He's calculated everything, including how he'll make a quick getaway.
Okay, this.
Who needs a truck for moving? I can do it myself.
Impressive start, my dude.
Bruh. It's all video. It just dropped. Why'd you not give me this? Oh, we do it right now.
Your performance was great.
And what have you got to say about this kind of luck? It's definitely like success times 4, or maybe even magic. He aimed for the stars and landed in the bushes.
I think she's going to need a eye passport to get out of this one.
This is super dangerous if you have kids at home. No worries. Just wash it again from the start.
Wherever you are, I'll come pick you up.
Forte, voltar. Lá até só no forte.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the?
With a pilot like this, it's best not to fly if you have a weak vestibular system.
Si no pasa nada. No grabé, güey.
And this girl has outdone everyone by putting a plate under her face at the last second.
Didn't he break and buy me last time?
And that's why we.
Little dinosaur. Nice and healthy.
Fish said. Was like now my turn. Looks like the machine wants a few days off.
But I'm trying to open it up.
Okay, but you gotta put pressure. You're gonna have to.
You're gonna need a little more practice.
Babe, why did you say put pressure?
Oh my.
This guy must be a professional handball player.
There are too many mysteries here. He's still looking for the broom.
And this is the way he fixes a burned pizza.
He'll get a medal just for showing up.
And I have to climb up an escalator after traveling miles.
Oh my God!
Those slippers saved her feet.
All right then. Cinderella lost her Crocs, and she caused me to have to walk.
Oh, Terry.
That dance move definitely earned at least 50 likes, right, folks? What gave him that push? Hey buddy, where's your phone?
He was actually smiling very brightly before that happened.
He nailed that scorpion fall perfectly.
Oh my God!
This guy must have decided to check how fragile his head was, lifting it at the worst possible moment. But he got lucky this time.
The next time you want to complain about a rough work day, remember those guys on the barge in Mumbai.
Dude, did you think that was a swimming pool? Turning diving into a competitive sport.
Save the first-class passengers.
This guy found the perfect place for a somersault to test his luck.
This nigga, oh! Oh!
But seriously, what was he thinking?
Teamwork.
I admire the work these guys are doing.
Work it.